Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to edit your Spotify profile. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Spotify on your device and tap your username at the top. Here, tap Account. A browser tab will open, so log into your Spotify account. This page shows your account overview. Scroll down and tap Edit Profile. On this page, you can change your email address, gender, date of birth, and country or region. When you finish editing your profile, tap Save Profile. So that's how you edit your Spotify profile. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.